Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by acting fast. The sooner you start, the higher the chance of retrieval. First, if Word is open but unstable, close it gracefully to allow auto-recover files to finalize. Once closed, open File Explorer and go to the App Data Microsoft Word Auto Recover folder. This is where Word often writes temp copies. Then reopen Word and use File Open Recover Unsaved Documents to surface. ASD or WBK versions. These steps access Word's automatic backup before you try manual temp file search. Next, search Windows temp and backup locations for remnants. Open File Explorer and inspect %temp plus the Word and Office folders for ASD, WBK, TMP, or files beginning with ~~. Once you find candidates, sort by date modified, limit to today or the session when you lost work. Try opening each file directly in Word. If Word won't open it, copy and rename the file extension to docx and then open. These manual checks catch files auto-recover missed or saved under different names. Finally, restore and secure your document. Open the recovered file and immediately save as to a known folder, then enable auto-save or save to OneDrive to reduce future risk. If no files appear, pause and avoid creating new files. Continued disk activity can overwrite recoverable temp files. At this point, consider system restore for older states or reputable recovery tools, but proceed cautiously. If recovery tools fail, contact IT. Often prevention, regular saves and cloud backup stops this from recurring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.